Hey everybody, Brett Hull here. St. Clair County is running a COVID-19 mass vaccination site at the Clair Fairgrounds in Belleville, Illinois. The site is open every day except for Wednesdays. So I encourage all of you to go out, get your vaccination so we can get rid of this and get back to a normal world. Let's go Blues.
Good afternoon. Welcome to day 418 here at the St. Clair County EMA office. I'm joined today with EMA Director Herb Simmons, and we're going to get right into the numbers. In St. Clair County, we've tested 345,078. That is an increase of 903 since yesterday. Positive test results are 30,602. That's an increase of 33 since yesterday. Those are males and females under the age of 10 up to their 70s. That brings our daily county positivity rate to 3.7%. Our negative tests are at 314,476. Our county death total for COVID-19 remains at 477. For those that have completed the IDPH required 10-day isolation period, we're at 29,833. For state totals, they've tested 23,007,188. Positive test results are 1,346,398, and that is an increase of 2,410 since yesterday. Sadly, the state did announce an additional 30 COVID-19 related deaths, bringing the statewide death total to 22,096. For hospitalization numbers, those hospitalized in St. Clair County hospitals, we have 15 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness, with no patients on ventilators. Regionally, there are 38 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness, with no patients on ventilators. There are no changes in our congregate living facilities, and as we talk about every day, testing remains vitally important to isolate and remove this virus from our community. If you feel like you have any symptoms of COVID-19, or if you've been exposed to someone that's tested positive, testing is available Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday from 8 to 4 at St. Clair Square, and also at various pharmacies and express medical facilities throughout the county. I'll now turn it over to Director Simmons for his update.
Thanks, Brian. Appreciate that. We'll get into the zip codes and see where they fall today. 62201 goes down 1 today to 609. 62203 goes up 1 to 662. 62204 goes up 1 to 420. 62205 goes up 1 to 674. 62206 goes up 4 to 1,405. 62207 goes up 2 to 633. 62208 goes up 3 to 1,729. 62220 goes up 2 to 2,180. 62223 goes up 3 to 1,851. 62226 goes up 2 to 3,357. 62254 goes up 1 to 821. 62257 goes up 1 to 359. 62260 goes up 1 to 838. And 62269 goes up 4 to 3,420. As Brian said, our daily county positivity rate today is 3.7, which is up from the 3.0 from yesterday. The county 7-day rolling average goes up to 3.4 from the 3.3 yesterday. The regional positivity goes up 3.0 from the 2.9 that it was at yesterday. The other counties around checked in: Bond County 1.4%, Clinton County 1.8, Madison 3.2, Monroe 1.9, Randolph 0.4%, St. Clair 2.9, and Washington came in at 0% today. Brian, was good. Brett Hall joined Team St. Clair.
Yes, he did.
Did a public service announcement out there. Appreciate that. Go Blues, as he said at the end of it.
Yes, he did.
So for all the Blues fans out there, a little message from Brett Hall supporting the mass vaccination site, which was closed today, which is our housekeeping day.
Yes, sir. Normal day, get everything back in order and ready to go for another 6 consecutive days of needles and arms.
Right, and tomorrow there will be another part of our trying to get the word out even further than what we've had over the last, since February 1st at that site. Some of the business people that we've been talking about have come up with some coupons, so they will have them available down there tomorrow for people who are either scheduled to get their shot or those who are stopping in between 9 and 5 from some of the local restaurants.
Yeah, it's a great partnership that these businesses show that they want to be a part of the solution. They want to help encourage people to come to the site. Eckert's Country Store and Kitchen here in Belleville donating a coupon for a portion off a meal there this month if you get your vaccine. McDonald's donating some coupons right there across the street. And we have other businesses that are waiting in the wings to step up and do that as well. And it just shows that they understand how important this vaccination is, not only to them as a business owner to help to rejuvenate their business, but for the safety of the community and their employees.
Well, and we announced that the mass site is going to be closing on May 30th, and from that point on, our location at 330 West Main will handle any of those who make their mind up after the site closes down there. But right now, it is so convenient, as we see each and every day. You can stay in the comfort of your car. But we're just trying to continue to get the word out there. There are still people out there who haven't had their minds made up. There are still people out there that says, no, I'm not going to get it. But we've had some of them people call later on and make an appointment and say, hey, our family, our friends has talked to us, so we're going to go ahead and get it done. And that's why we are trying to say get it done now, because it's Pfizer's being distributed there. From the time you get your first shot, it's a 3-week wait period for your second one.
This Sunday would be the deadline. You have to have your first shot at the fairgrounds by this Sunday if you want to get your second at the fairgrounds.
Right.
Because by this Sunday, you would be eligible for your second on May 30th. Right.
And our site at 330 West Main is a drive-through site. We're going to be doing some work there to make it even more conducive to what we're going to need. But we've said all along, we've tried to make this as convenient, as safe as possible. Team St. Clair members have done a great job of supporting it. That's why these promos, PSAs that we're having put out there to try to just get the word out to people and say, hey, if you haven't made your mind up, now's the time to do it. We want to make sure that the county residents take full advantage of this. We've lost 477 of our citizens to this. And just to give you another example, 33 new cases today in the county, and 29 of them were under the age of 40.
Yeah, every day we post that age graph, and it's getting younger and younger and younger. I mean, like you said today, there's only 4 cases that are 40 and above.
Right.
The rest of those cases today it's predominantly teenagers.
Right. And the good news, no patients on ventilators in the county or in the region. That's always good news, and we say all along that that's got a lot to do with our hospitals, our medical staff, our physicians. They've come a long way in treating this, and
they have.
You think several months back when those ventilators, double digits and at times and even higher. So
I remember times here at the EMA office working to find more ventilators, trying to find more parts, etc., that the hospitals were saying, hey, we need this to bring these other ventilators out. It's a great day to be at No Ventilators.
Yeah. So tomorrow, if you're out doing some shopping or doing just some sightseeing in downtown Belleville, whatever you're doing, the site is open. If you haven't made an appointment, we encourage you to do that. The call center is still in operation, and it will be. But we encourage you to stop by from 9 to 5. You can stop in and register right there on the spot. As we said, there's going to be some local coupons available that they'll be giving out after you get your shot in your arm, and help us be a part of the solution. The numbers are continuing to look good, and we want to keep it that way, but we still need to get more people vaccinated to where we can get this put behind us, and we can all get back to whatever that new normal is going to be. So please take advantage of it. We'll be back with Cindy in a few moments to translate this into our Spanish communities, and then we'll be back tomorrow for day 419 here at the EMA office. Everybody have a good evening.